Life is full of ups and downs, and it can be easy to get caught up in negative thoughts and emotions. But what if there was a way to change your thoughts and change your life? That's the power of positive thinking. When we focus on the positive aspects of our lives and cultivate an optimistic outlook, we can achieve great things. It all starts with recognizing negative thought patterns. We often fall into the trap of negative self-talk, telling ourselves that we're not good enough or that we'll never succeed. But these thoughts are self-destructive and hold us back from reaching our full potential. That's where the power of choice comes in. We have the power to choose our thoughts and attitudes, and to cultivate a positive mindset that supports our goals and aspirations. One way to do this is through gratitude. When we focus on what we have and express gratitude for the good things in our lives, we shift our perspective and open ourselves up to more positivity. Visualization is another powerful tool for cultivating a positive mindset. By imagining a positive outcome or future scenario, we can tap into the power of our subconscious mind and bring our goals and aspirations to life. Affirmations are another effective way to shift our mindset. By repeating positive statements to ourselves, we can reprogram our subconscious mind and create a more positive self-image. But the power of positive thinking isn't just about achieving our own goals and aspirations. It's also about building better relationships and creating a more harmonious world. When we approach others with kindness and compassion, we create a positive ripple effect that can transform the world around us. The journey towards positive thinking isn't always easy. It requires dedication, self-awareness, and a willingness to challenge our own negative thought patterns. But the rewards are immense. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can achieve our goals, build better relationships, and create a more fulfilling life for ourselves and those around us. So why not start today?